Welcome RaveRunners. Chances are if you've navigated this video, you just purchased your all-new RaveRunner X-Rig Chest Pack. Welcome to the squad. Before I jump into this, I'd like to thank you for becoming part of the RaveRunner squad. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please go ahead and post them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer you. We are constantly trying to improve and better our products, so any feedback, good or bad, is valuable. Let's jump into how you can take full advantage of your chest pack and set it up correctly. Let's first explore each feature and bring out all of its values so that you know how to use this pack to its full potential. First and foremost, the phone pocket. Phone pocket can comfortably hold an iPhone 11 all the way up to an iPhone 16 Max or a Samsung S24 Galaxy Plus, whatever that phone is called. First, go ahead and put your phone into the pocket. You can see that my phone does not fit and needs to be propped up. So go ahead and take a small piece of foam or cardboard and stick it into the base of this pocket. Now you'll see that my phone fits the window perfectly. Go ahead and zip your phone on in and strap in. The inside is made with a PVC pocket, allowing you to doom scroll, answer your fiance, or order Domino's on your way down the slopes. Additionally, you have a fabric flap to cover up the phone window. If you don't want to film while you're riding, go ahead and put that up so it covers your phone from adverse weather. Now let's move to the outer mesh pockets. Here's where I'd advise to put only non-valuable items like a protein bar, electrolytes, banana, burrito, if a burrito could fit in there. Now let's unclip and go into the main compartment. Here you'll find what I call the stash pocket. Put your credit card, keys, wallet, cash, anything that you don't need to go digging for on an hourly basis goes in here and stays in here. You'll then see 3 mesh pockets. Here's where I'll put in the middle my 17-ounce soft flask, and then I will put the elastic band around the soft flask to keep it propped up. Any valuable items like a GoPro, bottle opener, or something I don't want to lose will go in these other mesh pockets. Additionally, you have a ton more space to put other items in just the main compartment. Now, if you ordered the 1.5 liter bladder, go ahead and fill that up. Open the back panel pocket. Excuse me, Susan is not cooperating. I did. Well, you got to show its max capacity. There we go. If it fits, it ships. Okay. Close that up. And you see you have a tube that flails around here. There's a clip on the top shoulder pad and on the side of the pack. Boom. Now you have a total of almost 2 liters of water on this tiny pack. Now you may have ordered light string EL wire. I'm going to show you how to string that up. I like to put the EL wire battery inside this pocket. Start at this loop. And over the shoulder. Oops. Susan. And down. Follow the square outline. Now come back over the other shoulder pad. Under, up, and then I go across. And boom, there we go, fully lit. Now let's talk about pack care. Go ahead and take off the bottom clips, as you don't need to put these in the washer and wear them out if you don't need to. Then you're gonna wash this on cold. And you're not gonna tumble dry, you're gonna hang dry this. For your bladder, I will always put my bladder in the freezer, as mold cannot grow when things are frozen. However, if you do get your bladder moldy or nasty, I put soap, hot water, and a little bit of bleach and let it sit overnight. Then drain it and clean it thoroughly, as you don't want to be drinking bleach. Now that's about all you're going to need to know on your RaveRunner Chest Pack setup. If you have any other questions or concerns, throw them in the comments below and we'll answer them as quickly as possible. Strap in and we'll see you out there. Okay.